This video is specifically for foreigners or English-speaking people living in Germany who want to start selling on Amazon, or who are already selling and are confused, stuck, or worried they're doing something wrong. If you're already selling smoothly and understand German taxes and compliance, this video is not for you. But if you're unsure, overwhelmed, not seeing results, then you must watch this video till the end, okay? What's up, guys? It's your boy Ricky Russ, Amazon Germany seller. I've been selling on Amazon for some years now, and I also mentor foreigners on how to sell on Amazon Germany the right way, okay? Watch this video till the end because I'm going to share information that will help guide you through Amazon Germany. And it will also help you avoid costly mistakes that stop most people from making their first money or first 1,000 euros. Let's jump into the video. Most foreigners who start Amazon Germany don't fail because of the product. They fail because they don't understand what Germany requires before and while they are selling. They have no planned structure. They go at it blindly, and by the time they realize it, they've already received a letter from the, guess who? Finanzamt. And that's when panic starts. This is why most beginners never reach their first 1,000 euros. From my experience of mentoring people, I see the same pattern again and again. Someone watches YouTube videos, opens an Amazon Seller Central account, and thinks Amazon is step one. In Germany, Amazon is not step one. Step one is registering a business. Before you can sell on Amazon Germany, you must register a business, get a Steuernummer number, get a VAT number. But most foreigners don't know this, or they think they can fix it later. Germany doesn't work like that. Then comes VAT, and this is where many people get into trouble. In Germany, you must file VAT even if you made 0 sales. Many sellers don't file VAT because they didn't sell anything, or they didn't know they still had to file. Then months later, they receive a letter from the Finanzamt and they panic. Not because they did something illegal on purpose, but because nobody explained this clearly. Another big issue is income tax from the previous year. Many sellers don't file correctly, or they don't file at all. On top of that, they don't keep invoices for sales, expenses, Amazon fees, and suppliers. When the Finanzamt asks questions, they have no documents. That stress alone makes many people quit. Now let's talk about LUCID. You cannot sell on Amazon Germany without a LUCID number. Most foreigners don't know what LUCID is, don't know when to get it, don't know why it's required. They only find out when Amazon blocks them from selling. And now we also have GPSR, okay? Whether you're doing private label or wholesale, you must understand GPSR compliance. What it means, what Amazon requires from you as well. Most people are completely lost here, and Amazon will deactivate listings that don't comply with GPSR. Then there's SUP, single-use plastic. Most people don't know what it is, who it's for, why it's required, where to get it. Amazon simply shuts down a listing that is non-compliant, and that is the end of the story until you comply. I made a video on this particular topic. Please click the link here. I'm going to put it either here or here to watch and understand what SUP is. WEEE is another compliance issue that most people don't know anything about. What you don't know will definitely cost you. Most sellers don't know where to get this, or if they should apply for it, or simply get it from a supplier that already has it. I have a video that teaches you how to get it and where to get it. Simply click on the link here or click on the link here to watch it. And then there's OSS. This is where I see most foreigners completely shut down. They don't know what OSS is, when they need it, when they don't need it, how to register or how to file it, let alone file it correctly. This confusion alone stops many people from moving forward. On top of all this, many beginners don't use accounting software. So they can't track income and expenses, see if they're actually profitable, automate VAT filings, or understand their numbers. They're basically running a business blind. And finally, product research. Most beginners skip real research. They copy other sellers instead of reverse engineering them. They don't understand why the product is selling, what the real margins are, or if it even makes sense for Germany. So even if everything else was correct, the business still struggles. Now, imagine dealing with business registration, VAT filings, income tax, invoices, LUCID, GPSR, single-use plastic SUP, WEEE, OSS, accounting, and product research all at once. This is why most foreigners never make their first 1,000 euros on Amazon Germany. Not because Amazon doesn't work, but because they were never shown the correct order. Because I kept seeing these mistakes, I created something simply called the foreigner mistake list. It shows what you must do, in what order, and what mistakes stop people before they make money. If you're a foreigner in Germany and you're serious about Amazon Germany, download the foreigner mistake list. I'm going to put it in my description, and also I'm going to pin it in the comment section. Even if you don't work with me, at least you can make sure that you don't make these mistakes by downloading this list. It's very important. It's very useful. Download it, use it. Germany is not forgiving. Okay. Thank you so much for watching the video. And if you truly wish to avoid these mistakes and you know you need guidance, simply reach out to me immediately. My email will be in the description also, and also pinned in the comment section. I also made another video on the common mistakes foreigners make, 7 common mistakes foreigners make, and how you can avoid it. It's going to be up here. I'm going to pin it. 7 common mistakes right here. Click this video right here. I hope it's showing up now. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. It's your boy, Ricky Ross. I'm out.